We're down on the river. This is the Blanco River at Three Canyons Permaculture Farm, and it is bank full. Both of these dogs rolled into a dead animal, so we had to come down here to get a bath. It's like the sun's gonna come out here. So let's take a look. Come on, guys. Let's take a walk up to the wetlands. And I'll give you an update on what's going on up there. It's gonna be a bumpy ride. So the groundwater is way up, like it always is in the spring. Here comes Grim. And this is the fire hose I use typically in the summer to pump water into the wetland. So this is the first year ever that all of the aspects of the wetland have become full. So that's how high the groundwater is, which is amazing because this allows more sediment to clog it up. The deepest part is obviously quite deep. This is the shallowest end. We'll come over here. Take a look at the bridge here. Water's crystal clear down there. What do you think, Graham? And so the wetland goes down here into a huge holding tank. And it's a little early to be looking at some of those grasses, because it's so early, there's nothing growing yet. What do you think, Halo? So this is pretty nice established area of cattail here. It was one of the deeper sections. We had a huge population of fish here, and then 3 years ago it froze solid. So they obviously didn't make it. Halo's getting buck wild. What are you guys doing? All right, coming into the last section here of the wetland, and then we'll call this a wrap. So I think I might dig this out a little bit next time I get a loader in here and put some more fish in. Thanks for watching, guys. Beautiful day out here as we're waiting for it to warm up so we can get on some big water on the San Juan. Look at that, guy's crazy.